Jenny Eagle, reporter for Leah, and I'm here with Gillian Sales, who is the Managing Director of Rope Assemblies. Gillian, you have some exciting news. Tell us.
Well, we've just unveiled our brand new logo. We've had our existing logo for the past 38 years. Nothing's changed on it. It comes across to me anyway that it's wishy-washy colours. Yeah, so we've gone with a brand new crisp logo. We've just launched at Plaza 24 in Leeds.
So exciting. What are the new colours?
It's the same as it was, sort of. I'd like to say that it's black and white with a hint of parrot blue. It's basically a rope assembly with a parrot blue thimble, and it kind of looks like a tape measure as well. And as measurements are critical in our industry, I think we've made quite a good choice.
You say you were at Plaza Leeds. What kind of reaction did you get from clients there with the new logo?
Oh, 100% positive. Everybody said the same thing. They love the thimble colour, just that splash of colour on it. Just the fact that we modernised it.
And you're also redesigning your website, I believe?
Complete new website. First time we're going to have a new e-commerce website. Lots of new products that we're going to put on there, a few of which we showcased at Leeds. Basically, we're adding a splash of colour to everything. Things that we've always done traditionally for the theatre's always been black. So things like round slings and ratchet straps, things like that. We've got brand new colours, fluorescent colours, blues, pinks, oranges, greens.
What made you decide to go for these colours?
We don't just deal with the theatre. We've got to remember that we've got other customers as well. We've got farmers, construction companies. They don't all want black. So transport companies, they do want fluorescent colours, brighter colours. So yeah, that's why we've done it really.
And are you launching a new showroom?
We are, yes. We get a lot of local customers, farmers, transport companies, things like that, who'll just pop in. And they pop in for just what they want to pop in for, and they don't know anything else that we do. So to have everything on display in reception, it'll be quite a nice change, and hopefully we'll get a few more customers that way. We'll advertise locally more as well.
And where are you based? Where will the showroom be?
Retford in Nottinghamshire, just off the A1 really. So anybody who's popping up and down the A1, feel free to come and see us. Kettle's always on.
And it's quite exciting because you are an all-female team there at Rope Assemblies.
We are, yes. I took over as MD in July 2023 and became director as well, Anne McCorkle. And yes, it's always historically really been females.
Would you say that's quite unusual?
There's more and more females in the industry nowadays. It is fairly unusual, but we're getting there.
And how was the show at Plaza Leeds?
Really good. I mean, for us, it's only an hour up the road. It's a good chance to catch up with our customers, meet new ones. It's kind of a social event. We used it, of course, to unveil the logo, show off a few of our new products. It was really good.
So what are the new products exactly then that you've just launched?
The new ratchet straps, round slings, all in the different colours. We've got some new pulleys. We're working with a couple of new suppliers. There'll be more and more things come on as we move online, sort of thing.
You say that you work with a lot of festivals. Will you be going into peak season now?
We are, yes. And of course, the Olympics are coming up as well, so it's even more.
As you're working at the Olympics in Paris?
Yes. Not ourselves, but our customers work there.
Oh, fantastic. Do you know how your ropes will be used there? In what capacity?
Oh, everywhere you can think of, really. To be fair, we don't know where our ropes go in a lot of the cases.
And also, not to forget, on July 18, Leah is celebrating GLAD, Global Lifting Awareness Day. Will you be doing anything as a company to celebrate this?
As a company, we'll definitely be using the hashtag GLAD24 across all our social media. We're really proud of the industry we work in. So yeah, we're going to be using the opportunity to help raise awareness about safe lifting across all the industries that we're in. We're proud to be Leah members as well, of course. So we know we're in safe hands, and that's it.
And so what's next for you?
Really, to carry on doing what we're doing, we're going to embrace sustainability more.
How are you going to embrace sustainability?
Oh, we'll start with packaging and things. We're already up to about 90% non-plastic on the packaging. We want to get up to 100 by the end of the year. So we're working on it. We like our suppliers to do the same as well. And a lot of them already are. So we know we can do it.
And will you be attending any more shows this year?
We're visiting ABTT in London, the Association of British Theatre Technicians, just as visitors though. We did have a stand last year, but this year we've taken the decision to put all our resources into the wonderful new website that we're designing.
Well, I can't wait to see the new website, and thank you very much for your time today.
That's all right, thank you.